This is my advice on choosing a nursing school and whether or not you should get your LPN or RN and associates or bachelors. I've been an RN now for 6 years and I'm now an NP, so I do have the knowledge to give you this advice. I worked beside a lot of different nurses from different nursing schools while I worked in the hospital. I'm just going to be honest, no matter what school you go to, as soon as you become independent nurse on the floor versus being a student, you're not going to feel prepared. Most of what you're going to learn is going to be on that floor while you're working as a nurse. All of the nurses that I worked beside that went to lesser schools than I did, I felt had the same amount of knowledge as me. I felt that they were able to do their job just as well as I can. We were all learning together. We were all new graduate nurses. So if there's a more expensive school that prepares you better, just think about it in the long run. You're going to be a good nurse either way, and it doesn't really matter what school you came from. Nurses are so needed. Really, they don't even care what school you go to anymore. I went to the better school, and I really felt like I knew as much as the other girls that went to different schools. In my opinion, getting your LPN is a great way to go. You can literally be working as an LPN, making that wage while getting through the rest of your nursing school. You just have to make sure that you're self-disciplined enough to put yourself back in school to get that RN. While you're getting an RN in nursing, you may as well just get that bachelor degree. Just don't stop, just keep going. You can do one more year. The school that I went to was a 2-year program, and after a year we were able to test for our LPN license so that we were able to work as LPNs while we were finishing out the rest of our nursing school, which was cool. I highly recommend that route if possible. But in my opinion, I think that you should go to whatever school is just easier for you to get to, whatever one works the best for you and is in your budget. In 5 or 10 years from now, nobody's going to even ask you where you went to school. Just go get that degree.